So I have a new pizza oven to share today. This one is made for indoors. I've done a lot of outdoor ones when it comes to like propane and pellets and stuff. So this is the first full-size indoor pizza oven that I have received. And they did send this one over for me to try out in a demo for you guys. And this is the brand Zach Vo. I think that's what it's pronounced. But you get your user manual. You also get this pizza oven cookbook that does have some recipes in here. You got some recipes to make dough. You also do have some topping ideas. So, and it'll just give you some ideas in general of what you could make. Now, I will be doing pretty simple recipes or simple pizzas today for the demonstration, but let's go ahead and talk about the machine. I'll show it to you a little bit. This is the pizza stone that comes with it, and it also does come with a pizza peel or spatula. Now, this one runs off of your normal 120 outlet, 3-prong. And I haven't used this quite yet, so this is going to be the first time. Now that we have it turned on, I'll go ahead and show you the display on it. We'll get it powered up. Is this touchscreen? So it is touchscreen. You got to press and hold for a moment, and it will fire up the control panel here. We do have a knob here that will control our temperatures. That must be when we're in the like DIY mode. We also do have a timer. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the options here. So we do have where it shows Napoleon, plate pizza, New York, thin and crispy, frozen, and DIY. So if we hit one, okay, so it'll automatically do our temperatures for us. Upper oven, 500, lower, 540, and 9 minutes. In Napoleon, we got 850, 750, and a minute and a half. We do DIY, and that's going to give it 850, 750, and a minute and a half. So it really just depends on what you're going to cook. Frozen, we bring down the temperature to 490, 540 with 14 minutes. Thin and crispy, 520, 520, 5 minutes. So it automatically has some temperatures preset in there. And I think once you start it, you can, well, actually we'll go DIY. And this is where, no? Ah, okay, so we change the temperature over here. No. We change the, okay, so we use these buttons to select which one, and then from there you can manually adjust your temperature at increments of 10. And then you could do whatever custom temperature you would like to do. Hit that button again, and or hit the bottom one, I guess, and that will change it over to the bottom one, and then we can adjust that temperature as well. So you could have a different temperature for both bottom and top. You got like a dough that's going to take a little bit longer. You can put a higher temperature at the bottom, lower at top. And I'm just doing really simple pizzas today. Now I chose a lower temperature for this first one just because I'm not familiar with this oven yet, and I want to try it out a little bit before I play with the temperatures too much. But so far it's looking pretty good. We're going to go ahead and throw this second one in. I'll have to say this first one turned out looking pretty good though. All right, so I'm going to say overall this pizza oven works really well. I like that it cooks pretty fast, gets pretty hot, and it's really easy to use. It does a decent job cooking the pizza evenly. If you're looking for a new pizza oven, this one is from Zachvo. I think it works really well. Nice indoor pizza oven. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.